Hi everyone, and welcome to my page. So this is a portfolio website that I created. I really wanted one place to put all of my design and my fashion and my photography work. So this is the home page when you first come to my website. And when you scroll down, here's a few photos that I have taken, and then a small excerpt about me. Now this is something that was the most difficult part of creating this whole website because I didn't know what I wanted on my homepage. I really like how this turned out because I feel like this photo twice is very eye-catching, and it kind of sets the mood for the whole entire website. So now we'll go to my About Me page. This page is very simplistic as with the rest of my website because I didn't want to take away from my design work. So here's just a picture of me and then a little excerpt about me as well. And then we also have a contact me slide after that About Me excerpt. And now we'll go to my design page. For my design page, I have a few design projects that I have done. I will continue to add more of my projects, but these are just a few. So this was a watch that I created. I had to make it look photorealistic, so all of this was drawn by me in Illustrator. Here are some icons that I created. These were really fun to create. Definitely brought back nostalgic memories for me. And then this is a logo that I created for a new brand that I started this semester that I will explain in my fashion page, which we'll go to now. So for my fashion page, this is really just another little thing from my brand that I created called Pretty Dollar Style. I style outfits under $20. So these are just pictures of them. It's an Instagram account, so you guys can go follow it there if you want to keep up with me. But this is super fun, so it's just a way to style and see how you can make affordable outfits very cute. So that's my fashion page, and then we'll go to my photography page. For my photography page, I really only have a small excerpt and then a bunch of my photos, kind of like my other pages. I didn't want to take away from the photography itself, so here are just a few of my photos. I'll continue to add more as I take more photos as well. Which now brings us to my store page. For my store, all I have for sale are just some small prints of my photos that people can buy. So this was such a fun project, and I think the most that I learned a lot about me and my design ethic, and I think the hardest part was learning about where to put everything and what I wanted to put on my website and what I didn't want to put on my website. So thank you for watching.